In this video, I will be showing you how to view and download Chatgpt invoices. Let's get started. I begin on my computer's home screen with the Google browser open. I click on the search bar at the top, type chatgpt.com, and press enter to open the Chatgpt website. Once the interface loads, I navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen where my profile name is located and click on it. A small pop-up menu appears with several options. From this list, I locate and select Settings. The main Settings dashboard opens in the center of the screen, default to the General section. I look down the left-hand navigation panel of this window, find the Billing tab, and click on it to open my account's billing configuration. The Billing dashboard loads, showing my active plan details and history. Under the Billing History section, I see a chronological list of my past transactions. To find the specific statement I need, I look at the right side of the list and click on the View button next to the desired billing entry. This action opens a new tab in my browser, leading to a Stripe-hosted secure document page. The page fully displays the invoice details confirming the payment status. To save a copy of this statement onto my computer, I click on the prominent Download Invoice button near the center. A system notification briefly appears at the bottom indicating the file is downloading, and then the browser's download manager in the upper right corner confirms that the PDF file has successfully downloaded. I click on the file from the Download Manager list to open it. The PDF document opens in a new tab, displaying the full itemized breakdown of the Chatgpt Plus subscription, including the statement number, date of issue, billing address details, and total amount due. After verifying the document details, I switch back to the original Chatgpt tab where the Settings panel is still open. I click on the Exit Close icon in the top right corner of the Settings panel to return to the main dashboard interface. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.